Want to create a professional email address like your name at yourdomain.com? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a professional email with GoDaddy quickly and easily. First, log in to your GoDaddy account and go to the Email and Office section. If you don't already have an email plan, you'll need to purchase one. GoDaddy offers Microsoft 365 email plans, which include professional email addresses, calendar tools, and cloud storage. Once you've chosen your email plan, assign it to the domain you want to use. For example, if your domain is yourbusiness.com, you can create an email like info@yourbusiness.com or contact@yourbusiness.com. Next, click on Set Up Email and enter the email username you want. GoDaddy will guide you through the setup process, including creating a strong password. After setup, you'll be directed to the Microsoft 365 dashboard, where you can manage your new professional email account. You can access your email directly through Outlook or configure it on your phone or computer. To make the most of your professional email, don't forget to update your contact information on your website, business cards, and social media profiles. And that's it. You now have a professional email address with GoDaddy that helps build trust and credibility with your customers. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more GoDaddy tips and business tools.